Want to keep more of your crypto profits while staying fully compliant with HMRC? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you legal ways to reduce or even avoid paying crypto tax in the UK without breaking any rules. We're going to cover tax-free allowances, strategic gifting, offsetting losses and more, so that you don't overpay when you don't have to. And to make things even easier, I've included links in the description to some of the best crypto tax tools to help you track and optimize your tax bill, so be sure to check those out. Before we jump into the tax saving strategies, let's first go through when crypto is actually taxable in the UK. So when do you need to pay tax? Well, HMRC treats crypto as a capital asset, which means that certain actions, like trading or selling, can trigger capital gains tax, or CGT. So here's what's taxable. First, when you're selling your crypto for fiat, like GBP or US dollars. Then when you're swapping your crypto, for example when you're trading or exchanging Bitcoin for Ethereum. Then when you're using crypto to buy goods or services. Or earning crypto through the likes of staking, mining or airdrops. And it's not taxable when you're simply holding your crypto, transferring crypto between your own wallets, or receiving crypto as a gift, just as long as you don't sell it afterwards. So now that we know what's taxable, let's go through some of the legal ways to reduce or even avoid paying crypto tax in the UK. Use the capital gains tax allowance. One of the easiest ways to avoid paying crypto tax is by using your capital gains tax allowance. For the 2024-2025 tax year, you can make up to £3,000 in profit from crypto completely tax-free. That means if your total crypto gains for the year are under £3,000, you won't pay a penny in tax. But if your profits do go over this amount, then any extra gains are taxed at either 10% or 20% depending on your income bracket. So if you find yourself getting close to that limit, consider selling some crypto before the tax year ends, just to stay within that £3,000 tax-free allowance. Offset crypto gains with losses. Another great way to reduce your tax bill is by offsetting your gains with losses. So how does it work? Well, let's say that you made a £5,000 profit, but you lost £2,000 on another trade. Instead of paying on the full £5,000, you only pay tax on £3,000 because you subtracted your losses. And what's even better is that you can carry forward losses to offset future gains, just as long as you make sure that you report that to HMRC so that they count. So if you have any unrealised losses, you might want to consider selling before the tax year ends, just to balance out your profits and reduce your tax bill. Transfer crypto to your spouse. One little known loophole is by transferring crypto to your spouse or civil partner, which is completely tax-free. So why does this matter? Well, each person gets their own £3,000 CGT allowance. So if you transfer your crypto to your spouse before selling, you can double your tax-free gains to £6,000. And if one of you is on the lower tax bracket, this can also reduce the CGT rate that you pay. And this is a simple but effective way that you can legally lower your tax bill. Donate crypto to charity. Did you know that you can donate crypto to charity and pay zero tax? And here's why this is a win-win. First, you won't pay any capital gains tax on your donated crypto. Plus, you might also be able to claim income tax relief on your donation. So if you're feeling generous and you want to reduce your tax bill at the same time, donating to a registered UK charity is a smart move. But just make sure that the charity is officially registered with the UK Charity Commission. Use a self-invested personal plan or a SIP. If you want to invest in crypto tax-free, a self-invested personal plan or SIP is one way to do it. And here's how it helps. Well, first, there's no capital gains tax or investments inside a SIP. And there's also 45% tax relief on your contributions. Now, although you can't hold crypto directly in a SIP, you can invest in crypto-related assets like ETFs or blockchain companies completely tax-free. Consider a crypto loan instead of selling. Instead of selling your crypto and paying CGT, you could borrow against it. This is an option because loans aren't taxed, so you can access funds without triggering a taxable event. Plus, you can still own your own crypto and can benefit from potential price increases. But please just do be careful. If the price drops too much, you could lose your collateral. So always check the risk before taking out a loan. Use crypto tax software to optimize reporting. Manually tracking crypto taxes is a nightmare, but tax software can do it for you. Tools like coin tracking, coin tracker, Coinly, and Accounting can track all your transactions automatically. They can generate tax reports for HMRC and ensure that you claim every possible deduction. As I said, I've linked some of the best crypto tax tools in the description, so be sure to check them out. Alright, let's wrap this up with some final tax saving tips. First, make sure that you do keep good records. You want to keep track of all your transactions, wallets, and exchanges. Second, use your allowances. Make the most of tax-free gains before the tax year ends. And always stay updated. HMRC's crypto tax rules are constantly changing, so make sure that you're on top of them. And there's also some key UK crypto tax deadlines that you want to put in your calendar. April the 5th is the end of the UK tax year, and it's your final chance to use the tax breaks. January 31st is the self-assessment deadline, so make sure your crypto taxes are filed, as there are hefty fines. So I hope you liked this video. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions.